Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh. Pertanyaan mana ya?
Oke, oke, oke. Cak, cak.
Siap, siap, siap.
Oke. Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Thank you for being here today. Uh, my name is Faisal Wahyu Hidayat, and my friend,
My name is Mos Darmawan.
and I'm pleased to have the opportunity to present on application letter and curriculum vitae. Today, we will be discussing about that.
Berarti nih kehujanan kapan?
I hope this presentation will be informative and useful for all for you.
X3,
Before we dive
X3,
into the
X3.
material, we have a quiz about daily vocabulary. Jadi sebelum kita masuk ke materi, di sini kami sudah menyiapkan 5 quiz tentang daily vocabulary. Oke, yang pertama, what is the English word for matahari? Atau apa bahasa Inggrisnya untuk kata matahari? Ada yang bisa menjawab? Silahkan. Halo, halo.
Ayam,
Oke,
friend.
Mr. Saiful.
Bahasa Inggrisnya matahari, sun,
Oke, benar
my
sekali.
sun, sun,
Jadi
Good, good, good.
bukan my son ya, S-O-O-N, tapi S-U-N ya. Sun, sun.
sun,
Iya,
sun.
betul, betul, betul
Sun.
sekali. Terima kasih Bang Saiful. Oke, lanjut ke nomor kedua. I need to uh, my homework before playing. Ada yang bisa menjawab?
Buat tolong bahasa Indonesia kan?
Saya perlu titik, titik, titik. Saya, oh,
Hey,
saya perlu
I,
I am.
sok, sok,
I am.
sok, sok.
Saya
I,
dulu. Saya dulu. Du.
Siapa dulu ini?
Sok pilih tuh.
Naupal, Naupal,
Balkis,
Naupal.
Balkis, Balkis, Balkis. Ayo silahkan. Halo, halo.
Hijau aja hijau. Hijau aja hijau.
Boleh, boleh. Biar.
I am.
Ya, boleh.
Do.
Terima kasih, Mr. Zulfikar. Thank you for your attention.
I am number three. I am number three.
Oke, silahkan, Mr. Rifai.
Karena ini membicarakan tentang rasa, harusnya tasty.
Oke, tepat sekali ini. Jadi, what is the meaning of delicious? Jadi, apa yang dimaksud delicious? Betul sekali tadi jawabannya tasty. Oke, yang keempat, Mr. Balkis Tejar. Halo, halo.
Gak ada, ganti aja sama Nopal.
Boleh, 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 boleh. Silakan, Mr. Nopal dapat.
She is very smart because she studies a lot. Smart.
Oke. Dia sangat pintar karena dia banyak belajar. Betul sekali, betul, betul, betul. Thank you, Mr. Naufal Dafa.
Ya, welcome.
Okay. For number 5, what is the English word for hujan?
I am, sir.
Boleh, boleh, boleh.
I think that's answer is Rain. Rain.
Thank you. Thank you. Betul sekali jawabannya, Ray. Okay. Thank you for attention, everyone. Selanjutnya kita akan masuk ke materi. Decoding application letter and curriculum vitae, definition and types. Application letter, a formal document expressing interest in a specific job, summarizing qualification and motivation. It is a concise introduction of who you are and why you are great fit for the role. Think of it as your personal pitch. Curriculum vitae, a detailed overview of professional background, including work experience, education, skill, and achievement. It provides a comprehensive history of your qualification and accomplishment. The CV acts as a factual record of your career. Type of application letter. Job application. Used to apply for a specific job position in a company. Number two, speculative application letter. Sent to a company even when there are no job opening, hoping to be considered for future opportunity. Number three, internship application letter. Submit by student or fresh graduate to gain work experience through an internship program. Okay, number four, scholarship application letter. Used to apply for scholarship by highlighting academic achievement and financial needs. Number five, promotion application letter. Written by employee who want to apply for a higher position within their company. Okay. Next type of curriculum vitae. Chronological CV. List work experience in order from the most recent to oldest suitable for applicant with a stable work history. Number two, functional CV. Focus on skill and achievement rather than work experience. Ideal for those with gap in employment. Number three, combination CV. A mix of chronological and functional CV, balancing both experience and skill. Number four, academic CV used in academic field, including detail about research, publication, and extensive educational experience. Jadi penjelasannya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Surat lamaran, CV, atau definisi dan jenis. Jadi arti dari surat lamaran itu sebuah dokumen formal yang mengungkapkan minat terhadap suatu pekerjaan dengan kualifikasi dan motivasi pelamar. Surat ini merupakan perkenalan singkat tentang siapa pelamar dan apa yang cocok untuk posisi tersebut. Sedangkan untuk kurikulum vitae itu dokumen yang memberikan gambaran rinci tentang latar belakang profesional seseorang, termasuk pengalaman kerja, pendidikan, keterampilan, dan pencapaian. CV juga berfungsi sebagai catatan faktual dari perjalanan karir seseorang. Okay, next, uh, the power of first impression, benefit of application letter and CV. Number one, create a good first impression. A well-written document capture attention and spark interest. This initial positive impression is crucial in competitive job market. Jadi yang pertama itu menciptakan kesan pertama yang baik. Dokumen yang ditulis dengan baik akan menarik perhatian dan membangkitkan minat perekrut. Kesan pertama yang positif sangat penting di pasar kerja yang kompetitif. Nomor dua, showcase qualification. Highlight your skill, experience, and notable achievement, embracing your strength and capability. Lalu nomor dua itu menonjolkan kualifikasi. Oke. Cara menyoroti keterampilan, pengalaman, dan pencapaian yang relevan serta menampilkan kekuatan dan kemampuan pelamar. Untuk nomor tiga, for number three, demonstrates professionalism. Structure CV and letter reflect dedication and attention to detail, showing commitment to the job application process. Untuk nomor tiga itu menunjukkan profesionalisme. CV dan surat lamaran yang terstruktur dengan baik itu menunjukkan dedikasi dan perhatian terhadap detail, cerminkan komitmen terhadap proses lamaran kerja. Nah, keempat, enhance job opportunity. A strong application increase your change. Yang nomor 4 itu meningkatkan peluang mendapatkan pekerjaan. Lamaran yang kuat secara signifikan meningkatkan peluang dipilih dalam wawancara. Oke, selanjutnya akan dijelaskan oleh ya.
The coding application letters CVs. Definition and types format fresh graduate. Emphasize academic achievement, internship, and relevant skill gained through coursework and extracurricular and activities highlight your potential for expression professional. Focus on extensive work experience, leadership role, and industry-specific skill that showcase your experts is an accomplishment. Use number use number to show impact for your changes. Uh, Highlight transferable skill and relevant training or certification that demonstrate your adaptability and willingness to learn in a new field. So how your past XP learn translate for international application. adhere to the specific CV format and requirements of the country where you are applying, such as the Europass CV for Europe. Submit local expectation. Mastering the art tips or tip for reading effective application leader and CVs. Application leader tips personalize the leader, give it keen size, so into system, highlight relevant skill. Proofread carefully. CV reading tips. Use a clear format. Focus on achievement. Include keywords. Highlight relevant skill. Keep it updated. Quantifying your impact. Showcasing achievement with data. 25% reduce response time. Optimize database queries, reducing response time by 25%, demonstrating problem solving skill and technical expertise. 5% lead team. Lead team of 5%, developer to implement a sport a VL system demonstrating leadership and project management skill. 30% increased efficiency. Improved system efficiency by 30%. Through optimized coding techniques in a reduced role. Showcasing a significant impact on performance. I take Y and next step. Scoring your dream job. Tailor your application. Customize your application leader and CV for each job. Hig. Listing the skill and experience more relevant to the question. Quantify your achievement. Use number and data to demonstrate the impact or reward. Showcasing tangible impress employer. Profit meticulously. As ensure your application is free of grammatical error and tips demonstrate attention to detail and professionalism network ethic value. Expand your professional network and here's your mentor. You can provide that and support it's your job. Scare Q&A.
Oke,
What is
kita
the main?
sebentar Bang. Kita langsung masuk
Sok, sok.
ke quiz ya yang akan dibacakan oleh rekan saya. Silahkan.
Ayo kok abang tuh?
Oke, nomor satu. What is the main purpose of an application letter? Ada yang bisa menjawab? Silakan. Halo, halo, halo.
Kenapa nggak ada suaranya?
Ada suaranya nggak? Halo, halo.
Ada.
Oke, saya silakan nomor satu. Ada yang bisa menjawab for the question for number one.
I am
Oke, Mr. Saiful.
okay. What is the main purpose on application letter? Oh, jawabannya adalah B. To show intern in the job and explain why the application is suitable for the position.
Oke, tepat sekali. Thank you for Mr. Saiful. Okay, next for number two. Which of the following is not a common type of CV? Oke, Mr. Ahmad.
B. Informal CP.
Oke, tepat sekali. Oke, number three. Why it important to tailor a CV and application letter for each job application? Ada yang bisa menjawab? Nomor tiga. Silahkan, silahkan. Halo, 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 halo.
Nomor 3 akan dijawab oleh Mr. Tejar. Tejar, dipersilakan.
Silahkan, Mr. Tejar.
Number two.
Nomor three. Nomor tiga,
Oh,
nomor
three.
tiga.
Sorry. Jawaban answer A. To better match
Oke,
the company's need and ensure the kinds of getting hired.
oke. Thank you, Mr. Tejar.
Yo.
Oke. For number four, what should be highlighted in a CV to attract recruiters' attention? Ada yang mau menjawab? Silahkan, disilahkan.
Mr. Julfikar.
Mr. Zulfikar, ayo, ayo. Oke, yang lain barangkali. Mr. Ahmad, Mr. Ahmad.
Okay. Number 4. uh, A. A. Relevant work experience, skill, and measurable achievement.
Oke, thank you, Mr. Ahmad. Mau sekalian nomor 5?
Yang lain, barangkali ada yang mau menjawab.
Ayo, silakan. Atau yang sudah juga boleh, Bang Saipul.
Ya, kalian aja deh.
Boleh, 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 boleh.
Number 5. B. Using of using overly general and non-specific
Specific words.
words.
Oke, thank you, Mr. Ahmad, for your answer.
كلما دخلت أمة لعنت أختها
Oke,
حتى تداركوا
for
فيها
the
جميعا
math is there any question?
ونقول لأولاهم ربنا هؤلاء أضلونا فآتهم عذابا ضعفا من النار قال لكل ضعف ولكن لا تعلمون
Subhanallah, Mr. Zulfikar.
Subhanallah, Mr.
وقالت
Zulfikar.
أولاهم لأولاهما
Allah.
Allah, Allah.
فما كان
Question.
لكم
Please, please.
عليها
Mute, Mr. Zulfikar, mute.
Oke, apakah ada yang ingin bertanya untuk materi yang
I'm.
telah disampaikan?
I'm.
Oke, Mr. Balkis.
baru mana
Baik.
bisa ya
So, what
karena
is an application letter
lahumnya jahannam
belum
fiha dua min fawqihim
Sebentar,
wa
Mr. Zulfikar bisa di mute.
najzil zalimin waladina amanu wa amilus solihati
Hanya menolak bacaan Al-Quran.
ulaika
Tapi ini.
ashabul jannah
Ya, I'm
fiha khalidun wa
kedengeran
naza'na ma fi tajrimin tahtihim anhar wa qalu alhamdulillahi alladzi hadana li hadza ma kunna linahtadiya laula an hadana Allah apa
Mute di situ aja, Sal bisa kali. Mute di sini.
Gimana?
Mute di Zoom lah. Karena itu terus lightning pas orang-orang
ada ashabul jannah sabunari qad
Nah,
wajadna
eh,
rabbuna
Kasus.
qalu na'am
Nah, itu sah.
oke.
Sip.
Boleh, Mr. Balkis, Mr. Balkis.
oh
Silakan.
wait. What is the main difference between an application letter and a curriculum vitae?
Oke, bentar.
I'm.
Oke, ditampung dulu. Oke, Mr. Rifai.
What is it important to tailor an application letter and CP for a job application? Thank you.
Oke, thank you for your question. I will answer question for Mr. Tejar. What is main difference between application letter and curriculum vitae? An application letter is a formal document that express interest in a job, provide a summary of qualification and explain why the applicant is good fit for position. Untuk curriculum vitae, comprehensive document that detail and applicant professional background, education, skill, and achievement. Oke, Mr. Tejar.
Oke, oke, thank you.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Okay, I will answer question Mr. Rifai. Customizing an application letter and CV ensure that most relevant skill and experience for the job are highlighted. Okay, Mr. Rifai.
Oke gitu. Oke gitu. Oke gitu.
Halo, halo, halo.
Oke, oke, oke.
Oke. Eh, mungkin sekian presentasi dari kelompok kami. Thank you for attention everyone. Good night. Enjoy your day. Eh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tuh.
Boleh, boleh silakan yang keluar. Silakan. Barangkali ada kesibukan.
Duluan Bang, duluan.
Kumaha, kumaha.